All right, hello everybody. I have decided to make my PowerPoint a quiz on Kurzweil's law of accelerating returns. So the first question would be, Kurzweil's law of accelerating returns recognizes the importance of who else's theory? Moore's law, Fuller's knowledge doubling curve, or Field's the end of the future theory? And the answer is going to be Moore's law. The second question, Ray Kurzweil is best known for creating what invention? A. Google, B. Text-to-voice computer speaking software, C. Speech recognition software, or D. Both B and C? And the answer is going to be D, both B and C. So text-to-voice computer speaking software and speech recognition software, like Amazon Alexa or Siri. When asked about the evolution of technology, Kurzweil would suggest that it is moving A. slowly, B. fast, or C. not progressing at all. And the answer is going to be B. fast. And just to recap, Ray Kurzweil is a key icon for the world of technology. Without him, there would be no Amazon Alexa or Siri. His predictions over the past 25 years have been right on point, and the predictions that he makes over the next 25 years have technology evolving so much that he predicts self-driving cars will take over in the late 2020s, like Tesla. And that is all.